only sometimes if there is a coconut. Yes. You know, in the Philippines, I tell you this, in the Philippines, there's a lot of coconut tree over there. So, some people, they climb they harvesting their coconut, you know, the old coconut, they're harvesting. And then they remove it on the coconut shell and they put there on the ground along the road to make it dry, you know. That is what we did when we are young. And then when we pass on there, sometimes we went to school, and then when we got home, if we still saw the you know, the place of the young coconut, or the coconut, the old coconut is still on the road, we just pick it up, one or two slices, and we, you know, when we go back, because we don't have like bathroom the same as now that we have a bathroom, blah blah blah. But in the Philippines, we have the tap of the water outside. We just have a bath there, and then, you know, we just eat the place of the coconut, and then we just, when it's already like smashed, we need to remove in our mouth, and then we put like this on our skin. That is what we did when we are young, you know. So we are not using all the time the